In the last two videos, we set up for recording and we set our tempo, and now it's time to create the click track. And the easiest way to do that is to go under the track menu and to choose Create Click Track. I'm going to actually drag this click track up here, and we'll talk in a moment about what the click track actually is. But for now, just suffice it to say that we've created the click track, and over here I have a little metronome, and when that is lit, the click track is active. So if I now press record, we will hear the click track. So how do we start recording? Well, we press the number 3 on a numeric keypad, or we press F12, or we press Command Spacebar. All of them will start recording. And spacebar to stop. So you can hear the click track. Notice, by the way, that I have up here something that says count off. Now, if I want to start my drums on beat 1, I need to have some indication as when beat 1 is. And so I'll add a count off. We'll set it to 2 bars. I can, of course, change that by double-clicking, and I can set it to any number of bars I want. And when that count off is lit, I will get a count off before we start recording. So again, I will press Command Spacebar. That's 1, that's 2, and then you'll see it start to record. Now I'm undoing Command Z. Now we also have some other controls in this window, which I can get to either by double-clicking the metronome or by double-clicking the count-off. I can determine whether the click track plays during both playback and recording, only during recording, or only during the count-off and then go away. I can even use a MIDI keyboard to generate my click. I can specify the accented and unaccented notes, the velocity of those notes, and even the duration of those notes. And this drop-down is where I set the MIDI device, which will produce the sound of my click. Of course, you don't need a MIDI keyboard. Pro Tools can produce different click sounds, and we'll learn that in the next video. And then here is my count-off. Again, I can do it only during record or also during playback. Now let's say I want my click to be something other than a quarter note. Well, if I go up to meter and I double click my meter, you see we're in 4/4 time. And then here I have click. I'm clicking off quarter notes. Let's click off eighth notes. My 2-bar count off. So you see how that works. Undo. Let's now do a dotted quarter note. So we'll do dotted quarter notes, and now try it. So that's how we change the rhythm of the clicks. We can also change the sound of the click, and we'll learn how to do that and a little bit more about click tracks in the next video.